What is going on out there, peeps? Warning, I told you this day was going to come, and I said it was going to happen sometime in August. So it looks like it's happening now. So you're going to have some mixed news, both good. Actually, it's all good, okay? But I warned you guys that this was going to happen, and I just want to cover you or make this video to remind you that I told you this was going to happen and not to panic. People yelling everywhere. Oh, the world's coming to an end. No, calm down. All right, everybody. A quick reminder that if you're thinking about buying some precious metals, give Money Metal Exchange. Please consider our friends over at Money Metals Exchange. All right, their link is in our description. If you're a first-time buyer, you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, use promo code Pimpy Pimpy, and you will definitely get a free half ounce of silver, which is always good. Okay, quick reminder: we have Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as other investment opportunities. We have the hidden things in front of your eyes. Over here, we talk about NESARA, GESARA, political things, current events, Trump, QAnon things that some people consider be conspiracy, we consider as truth-seeking, all right? For a lot of you who are interested in watching just my gold and silver videos, I have a playlist of all the videos that I made, so you don't have to search through all my videos for them. They're great educational tools, and it has a ton of information in these videos. So you can just come through here, hit play all, or select one at a time if you want to. But the link for these will be in my description. Okay? So what was I warning you guys about? This, a market correction on silver and gold. Yep, they're dropping. I told you sooner or later they were going to try to do something. You're going to see something happen, a market correction, something that's going to cause the value of gold and silver to drop. And what did I say not to do? Don't panic. What else did I say not to do? Don't sell. This was expected. I told you this was going to happen, okay? So having said that, this is also a good time, depending on how long this dip lasts, to buy on a dip. This is the time to buy more. So we'll keep an eye on the prices of silver and gold. And if we could pick it up for a little bit more cheaper, by all means, we definitely want to jump on that. That's for sure. Okay, I'm not expecting, it to drop very much. There looks like a $2 drop on silver, and it looks like an $87 drop on gold. Anyways, I don't know if this is it, if they're done. I'm still expecting them to go a little bit lower than this, but this was expected. I've been warning you guys in the last few videos to expect some kind of dip or market correction. Don't fall for this. Hold, hold, hold. If anything, buy on the dip. That means you get to increase your inventory for a little bit more cheaper. How much cheaper? I don't know, but I don't care where the prices drop to. No matter what you see, do not panic. Do not sell, because the recovery is going to be quick and then it's going to take off. Okay? So this was expected. This should not be a surprise. I told you guys this was coming. All right? So I just don't want people to panic and go, "Oh my God, I lost so much money." No, you haven't lost anything. You got to remember, you don't lose anything until you sell it at a loss. So I told you this is going to be a long-term ride. This isn't short-term. So who cares what's happening today? I don't care how far down it goes. No matter what you see, you don't panic. That just means it gives you an opportunity to add to your inventory, your collection, more gold and silver at a cheaper price. Okay, but these are slight drops. Don't get me wrong. Well, actually not slight. What did I say? To expect a 10% correction, didn't I? So silver's at a 7% and gold's only at a 4% correction. All right, I said don't be surprised if we don't see a 10% correction. Pimpy, you're so right. Yeah, I know. I told you this was coming. All right, I told you it was coming in this month too, but I'm not falling for this. This is normal when it comes to investments. This is ways in which they scare and shake speculators. That means amateurs. they get panicked and run down and they sell their gold and silver because they think they're losing money or they think they lost money. There's no loss. So just ignore this right now. Well, no, I don't want you to ignore it. This means we might have an opportunity to pick up and add it to our stacking, add to our collection of gold and silver at a little bit more of a cheaper price. So we'll watch what happens in the market here. I'm still expected to go down just a little bit more. Like I said, around a 10% correction is what I was expecting. But I'm curious to see how that affects these websites that sell bullion. You know what I mean? I'm going to keep an eye on money metals and see if the prices drop a little bit, but it ain't going to happen right away. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens. If this price is lower, it might stay down there for a couple of days, which would allow us then to go ahead and add to our inventory. So that's the good part of this. So again, I seen this and I go, okay, I want to remind you that I told you this was coming. What did I say? Don't panic. Don't sell. Don't even stress. This is a long-term strategy. Just who cares? Because I can see already, when I saw this, I go, oh, people are going to be panicking. Don't. I said there was going to be a 10% correction. We're only at 739 here. We're at 430 here. There's a couple other things I noticed too. Dow is moving. So I'm hoping what happens is they start to decouple. All right. So gold and silver go away from what's happening on the market. You see this boost, and what they do is they artificially pump the market, and everybody's going, oh, everything is fine and dandy. Look, we're back above 28,000. We're almost near a record high. Ask yourself how. How the hell is that possible? I mean, seriously, the economy is not even open. How are these people getting this much? How's there that much positive action on a Dow? Seriously, consider that. No, it's the Fed keeping the market afloat. Okay? So what that does is when this goes up, you usually see gold and silver have a correction. Don't fall for this whatsoever. Do not fall for it, because the recovery is not only going to be quick, but then it's going to take off. So for those of you who were smart enough to ride this out, be prepared, because now, like I said, there's a 10% correction happening. It might go a little bit more, might be a little bit less, but then after that, the recovery will be quick and you will see it take off again. Okay, this is a long-term bull run. We're expecting huge increases over the next 10 to 15 years. All right, not saying that you want to hold on to it that long, but if you could, hang on to a good portion of it. Also, I was going to show you what else I'm taking a shellacking on, man, big time. Look at this. Gold and silver stocks, all of them. So ask yourself this. If the Dow is moving the way it is, why are these gold and silver mining stocks taking a shellacking? The point I'm trying to make is this. So when it's doing good and these go down, right? So what happens when the market starts to crash? What happens to these same stocks? They go up. So this will allow you, for those of you who are buying into these stocks, just watch it and you can pick some more up cheaper. Buy on the dip. Look at them. They're dropping. These are all related. Most of them are related to gold and silver. So that's a good point that I wanted to make to you. Look at WTI oil. Big time. This is the point I'm trying to make to you. See, pay attention. Look at these habits. Look at these trends is what I'm trying to say. So gold and silver miner stocks, gold and silver precious metal stocks, all going down, just like gold and silver. Not surprising whatsoever. Not at all. But what is going up? The Dow, the S&P, the Russell, okay? They're going up. Do you see what I mean? When this goes up, these usually go down. But we know this is artificial. Eventually, they're not going to be able to prop up the stock market anymore. And it's going to come crashing down. So gold and silver, you will benefit. You will make a lot of money from. But also off these gold and silver miners stocks, all right? So look at right now, again, on gold and silver, the same thing. Buy on the dip. The same with these stocks. If you are buying them, it's a perfect time to pick some up very, very, well, I don't want to say cheap, on a discount, cheaper than they were before. Okay, so good deal. Anyways, again, I don't want to keep kicking a dead cat, but, look, I told you a correction was coming. I said it would be about 10% in my opinion. Silver is only at about 7% correction. Gold is at about a 4% correction. So don't panic. this would be a good time to buy some at a much cheaper rate. So let's keep an eye on what's happening with money metals, see if they lower the price a little bit on silver, and then add more to your collection. Buy on the dip. So anyways, I just wanted to bring this to your attention because I told you that this was coming. I don't want to see people panic and do the wrong thing. That's what happens all the time. People lose their ass when they see this and they panic and they don't know what they're doing. Okay? So again, I just wanted to bring this to your attention real quick. That gold and silver is going down, but you guys should already have been expecting this because I told you it was going to happen. Okay? And I said, don't panic. And I said, buy on the dip. Okay, so anyways, that's it. I saw this morning and I said, I better put a quick video out just letting you guys know. All right, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so because when you do, it helps out the channel. And I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. Bye.